Hello friends, after some gap, here is a useful video for all adults on the secret of sleeping soundly. There are 4 steps of preparation involved, and then I'll share the secret of sleeping soundly every night, night after night. At night, when you are lying down in bed in comfortable position, with your eyes closed, the first step of preparation begins. In this step, you are recalling all actions that you have done from morning and up to this present moment when you are lying in bed. If possible, you are trying to recall all those actions in sequence. Please note that you are remembering the highlights of your day only to thank yourself for completing all the actions of the day. Basically, you are thanking your body and inviting it to cool down and take rest now by sleeping soundly. Please remember to breathe deeply throughout this first state. In second step of preparation, you are inviting your mental thinking energies to start cooling down for resting throughout the night. All those actions that remained unfinished during the day are behind the constant thinking you do at night. Continue to take deep breaths and invite your mental energies to cool down for night by kind of losing interest in all those unfinished actions. In step 3 of preparation for sleeping soundly, you are taking care of your emotional world by inviting it to start becoming quiet and turmoil free. The emotions of hurt, insults, or even of praise and applause, in fact, all kinds of emotions are being cooled down by you. You are inviting your emotional world to rest for the night by not thinking about events and happenings of the day. The success of the above 3 steps of preparation depend on the continuous deep breathing and on your single very deep interest in sleeping soundly for the whole night. In fourth and final step of preparation, you are thanking the life energy which made it possible for you to pass the whole working day successfully. After completing first 3 steps, you will find that you become quite aware of your breathing and your heartbeats. With every breath and every heartbeat, you are thanking life energy circulating in each cell, in every inch of your body, and inviting it to relax and slow down for the night. And now, I am going to share the secret of sleeping soundly, friends. Your body, mind, and emotions are in relaxed, quiet state by now. You have free energy that is a reward for all the thanks you have given to your various body energies and also the gratefulness that you have shown towards life energy. This energy of reward can be concentrated by you in the region of your heart, in your chest. You will feel impact of it as a glow of warmth, as if your whole being is joyfully smiling. You will be feeling good, safe and secure in your total being. The secret of sleeping soundly lies in spreading this energy of reward throughout your body. With every breath, with every heartbeat, let this feeling of reward, let this energy of reward spread like an energy wave into your whole body, relaxing any stress in the head, relaxing your jaw muscles, relaxing your arms and legs, filling your whole being with joy, with relaxed, smiling energies. Dear friends, listen to this video for few nights till all 4 steps of preparation and secret of sleeping soundly becomes very clear to you. My best wishes to all of you for enjoying sound sleep night after night. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Do subscribe to my channel for getting updates regularly.